This is my airsoft collection. Here is a MP5. It's broken right now. It's electric. Here's my, I'm pretty sure it's Mossberg shotgun. It's spring loaded. It's an okay gun. It's a Walmart gun though. These two are. This is a M14 SOCOM. It is really good from Airsplat. Here's an M4. It's a double eagle M83. It's broken right now too. There's something wrong with the gearbox. Have to get it fixed. And here's a really good Glock. Not sure what the FPS is. FPS on this is about 280. This is about 350. I'd say around 250 to 3. And this is 250. Here's my best gun. It's the G36C Jinjong. I'd say 350 FPS to 400. Yeah, high cap magazine holds like about 250 or like 250 BBs or something. 250. Not sure. And this is one of my airsoft masks. It's really good. So comfortable. Yeah. And those are all my airsoft guns for right now. I should have some more soon after Christmas. So yeah.